Based in London, in the happening area of Shoreditch, Galpin runs his Galpin design studio. For the last 20 years, his products and his designs have been used by leading companies across Britain and the world. Let's speak to Rock about his ideas and the future of the design of furniture in the office space.
The office space is quite fascinating because we've had obviously technology driving or giving us the opportunities to work in many different places now, and combined with a flat infrastructure, we have new problems, new issues in the workplace, which is starting to be dealt with at the moment, which I think is about looking at how we work and where we work and focusing. Thinking about the furniture and the environment that we create that's conducive to the new types of work. What we've been doing is breaking down the types of activity and the types of experience which would enhance productivity in the workplace. And that might be solo, it might be small group, it might be larger group. So we've been looking at developing a range of furniture which accommodates that. So solo, maybe it's acoustically controlled. Maybe it becomes slightly more personalised. The idea of a personalised workspace is certainly there's a massive trend in this, I believe. Well, technology, we've obviously used to working at a conventional desk surrounded by computers, etc. Technology, obviously, mobile technology has now allowed us to work in different places. So that's kind of driving the possibility of where we now work. So I think what's going to happen now moving forward is that in terms of the bigger picture of technology is going to be used holistically throughout the workplace, not just with our laptop and our data phones, etc., but right throughout the furniture. So it's going to start kind of really automating space automatically, seamlessly on one level, and allowing some very purposeful and focused control of those workspaces for meetings and different work times. The way we're working generally is changing so significantly. The idea of meetings was quite a static event quite often. It happened in a conference hall, a room that we'd book out for a big meeting or a client meeting, etc. There is much more need for talking to each other, our colleagues. The idea of the workplace becoming a place that is quite often quite largely freelance based. So we have different temporary employers coming in, and also the way that we're working. I think we're working with lots of different companies now, many more so than before. So the idea of collaborative space where internal staff can meet up and have team building meetings, etc., just refocusing what they're doing, but also to kind of bring in the people that from outside that they're collaborating with, and also the new freelance team, which is quite often quite an amorphic workforce. So it's sort of combining all those elements together, I think, has led to a big increase in meeting types. Well, I think yes. I think the young are much more able to accommodate the new, and they're obviously very much more they've been brought up with a digital world, and that is their world. So I think this is very important in terms of providing a space, a work environment that the younger generation can really connect with. My name's Galpin. I run a industrial design studio. We've been working in furniture and interiors for the last 25 years. We have an international client base, and we're currently working a lot with office furniture manufacturers, helping them develop their own product collections.